Certainly. Setting up a wireless and Wi-Fi repeater extender can help extend your existing Wi-Fi coverage. Here are step-by-step instructions to get you started. Plug the repeater into a power outlet near your existing Wi-Fi router. The next step requires you to connect the repeater to your computer or phone either through Wi-Fi or via Ethernet cable. Open a web browser on your computer. Enter the default IP address of the repeater in the address bar. Press Enter to access the configuration page. Log in. You'll be prompted to log in. Use the default login credentials, usually admin for both username and password. If you've changed these credentials before, use the updated ones. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the repeater. Choose your existing Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi network's password. Set up a new network name, SSID, for your extended network. Apply the settings. Reboot the repeater. Once you've entered all necessary information, apply the settings. Reboot the repeater to finalize the setup. Place the repeater in an area where you need Wi-Fi coverage. Connect your devices to the extended network using the new SSID you set up. Remember that specific instructions may vary based on the brand and model of your repeater. Refer to the user manual provided with your device for detailed guidance. Happy extending! Reboot the repeater.